how to install RedNote on Android. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you exactly how to install RedNote. It's super simple and easy process, so let's dive right in. First things first, find Play Store on your homepage. Once you find it, tap on it. Here, tap on Search. In the search bar, type RedNote and hit search. You can find the RedNote at the very top. It's the official RedNote app. Tap install and the download will begin. Make sure you are connected to Wi-Fi. Now after it's installed, tap open and the app will guide you through a quick setup. And that's it. That's how you install RedNote on your Android device. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.